So, andito tayo ngayon sa Lindenwood Residences in Susana Heights, Muntinlupa City to check a new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, this is the property. 295 square meters ang total lot area niya. Medyo uphill siya. And this is around 11.6 million. Or around 39,000 per square meter. Or gawin na nating 40,000 per square meter. And Muntinlupa po yung address natin. Yan, katabi niya yung bahay na yan. Ayan. And this is for bidding. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance, bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So para siyang corner lot. Ayan, ito lang siya, 259. Irregular yung shape niya. Again, this is for bidding. Current market value ng mga properties ngayon dito sa Susana Heights is nasa 70 or 80,000 per square meter. Ayan. And this is considered as mid-high-end housing. Medyo malalaki yung mga cut ng lote rito. And then yung design ng mga bahay, may combination ng modern and classic. So, check natin yung orientation niya. Okay. Kasi ina yung araw. Anong oras ba? 2:00 na. So, after. So, northeast or facing east. Yan. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Ganda rin dito sa Susana Heights eh. Malalaki ang bahay. And Muntinlupa, within Metro Manila lang siya. Parang mid-high-end housing dito sa dito sa Lindenwood. Laki ng bahay, oh. Check natin yung clubhouse nila. Wide daw eh. Tama ba? Wala ba? Kanan daw. Kanan daw. Tapos kanan ulit.